Happy Monday, everybody. I hope that you can get online and navigate through the Google Classroom and figure out exactly what you're supposed to be doing. Remember, this week we are starting with homophones, so we are going to start by reviewing. We will take a look at the PowerPoint that we looked at a few weeks ago. So who can remember this riddle? This is a place where there are lots of books, there are lots of tables, and the people inside this room work very hard. Their bags are next to their desk, and they're very busy learning English. Well, I think we all remember what this was. This was talking about the three different theirs. We have there showing location. There are lots of tables. And then we have their showing possession, their bags. And then we have they are, which is a contraction, of they are. They are very busy learning English. And the answer to the riddle is your classroom. Although this isn't a picture of your Google Classroom, so it's not really true for the current moment. However, we will be back in the classroom before you know it. So just hang tight, you guys. We're going to get through this. All right, homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike, but they are not spelled alike, and they have different meaning. Homophones are words that are commonly misspelled and commonly confused. And that is very true. There's so many times that writers spell words wrong and they think they're correct because on their Word document or Google document or whatever document is being used, it doesn't show that there's a spelling error because it actually is a word. It's just not used in the correct manner. So it's very important to understand what the words mean and try to memorize most of the homophones so that way you know when the word comes up which one to use and when to use it. Remember, homo meaning the same and phone sound. So right here we have right and right, like you have the right answer, and then right like you're writing on your paper. See, you see with your eyes, and see like the ocean. Hair like your hair, and a hair like the Easter bunny, the rabbit. Okay, right here we have the example, Jake spoke his thoughts aloud. And then we have Karen's mom said, you are not allowed to drive until you are 16. And if you can remember, allowed showing that Karen's mom was giving her permission or not giving her permission to drive until she's 16. And then allowed, A-L-O-U-D, is saying something so it can be heard, aloud. All right, remember the quiz, guys? We're going to skip past the quiz because you guys already took this. Well, let's go back. Let's go ahead and just review it just for the fun of it. Okay, it's blank cold outside to wear shorts. It's too cold, or too cold. So if you can remember, we said that it is too cold, T-O-O. And then she bought blank types of salsa to try. A, T-O-O, B, T-O, C, T-W-O. And 2, the number. She bought 2 types of salsa to try. It's important to listen to your teacher, and it's that 2, it is B. All right. Now, let's see if I can draw the piece in the piece. So what you guys did whenever y'all did this in class was you drew a piece, two different pieces. And so let's try this. Boop. Okay, there's a peace sign. All right. And so that is peace. This is really hard, you guys. I gotta give y'all credit. Y'all did better than me in class. Okay, and then piece, like a piece of pizza. Let's see. Piece and piece. All right. Okay, so after that, we went on to the little storyboard that you did, or some people just drew whatever they wanted to draw that showed the different homophones. So remember, I did the I and the I, and I did my little comic strip that said I, Captain. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and you're going to come onto this worksheet that I have going for you guys, and you're going to complete this worksheet, and that's going to be all for today. So I hope that you guys got something out of this video, and thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.